Well, let's focus a little bit on that second point about healthcare because we've
Sure.
been talking about education, but I'm concerned because
Hmm.
a person my age, I have a handful of doctors. Every single doctor I sign up with, it's my social security number, it's my
Mm,
address, it's my driver's license, it's my insurance card. We're putting so much data into it. And I'm sorry, but I don't see them as these particular doctors' offices and hospitals being the leaders of security
got it.
against what we're now hearing is we've got AI invading us, not just individuals. So, how do you see a path forward for that?
You have a real concern because every hospital just about has been targeted by
Yes.
hackers. It really is a serious concern. Hospitals, doctors' offices, they really need to have a very tight ship when it comes to their cybersecurity. Now, is your social security number needed in a hospital setting? I'm not so certain. They obviously need your insurance information. I don't believe that they need your social security number. So I could definitely see a path where we have less information that we're giving to doctors. But unfortunately, David, a lot of your information is already out there. You are aware of that, right? So
Oh, yes.
it's
Yes. Lots of
there's
information.
so much data about each and every one of us that's already out there for the hackers, to tamper with. So my best recommendation for individuals is to always have, two-party authentication on all of your personal information, whether it's your banks, you know, um, anything that you want to have truly private, your laptop, your phone, always have two-party authentication on as many things as possible, so that you can have some security there over your own personal information.
Well, I certainly agree with that, and I have received multiple reports that my private information is up on the dark web, and
Yes.
what I've done that anybody can do, it's not super difficult, is I've gone into the three major credit bureaus
Hmm.
and frozen my credit. Now there have been a couple bumps because I went and applied for something and they came back and said, well, we can't clarify this. And nobody actually told me, oh, you need to unfreeze things.
Right.
But I also separately have frozen my social security number. And you can do that through the Social Security Administration. And that actually prevented me from being certified for work through E-Verify.
Mm, okay.
Nobody told me that. And it was as simple as just saying, yes, you can let this
Person.
university
Right.
pull your e-verify. And it's only good for like 48 hours or something, so the account stays secure. But
Hmm.
I certainly think that the doubt what's happening is we all have to take responsibility, like you said, with the
Yes.
two-party authentication and things to make sure that we're doing the very best job we can to protect ourselves because I'm not sure the cats that we're giving the information to are as secure as we'd like them to be.
And they're trying, but guess what? The hackers are always two steps ahead.
And
They
like I said, is
Mhm.
the AI is making it even worse. They
Even
just
worse. Hmm.
there was a story just in the last 2 days that said that there was an AI hack and it had no human involvement. And
Oh
I'm trying to
wow.
figure out where that went. Like, okay, what would tell an AI system to go do this? So
Right.
I'm not certain that there's really no human involvement.
Well, they're self-learning. They're definitely
Yeah.
starting to self-learn. I don't, yeah, in agreement with you that I believe there was definitely some human involvement, maybe at the beginning in its genesis of the hack.
It's just too much. If you've enjoyed this episode of Saving America, check out my first book, Decline of America 100 Years of Leadership Failures, which features the presidents of Wilson through Obama and points out that America has been successful, unfortunately, despite its leadership. Check it out at Amazon. This is Dr. David D. Schein. Thanks for joining me for this special edition of Saving America. Remember, a new Saving America show is aired on the Brushwood Media Network every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Listen on any of the 16 network stations, Apple or Google mobile app, Apple CarPlay, TuneIn, Smart Speaker, and all smart TVs. Find more information at the brushwoodmedianetwork.com. Please be sure to join us each week. We welcome and love your feedback from our growing audience.